Hello there, welcome. This video we're going to talk about some basics of Figma. If you're new to Figma, hopefully this video helps you. Let's begin by talking about the UI of Figma. Locate the icon on the top left. It says main menu. Go ahead and click on it. Go back to files. This brings us to this page. Let's create a new theme. Left panel, if you have a previously created theme, click on it. Click create new. Let's do a test theme. Test, create. Remember, this is a web-based version. This is not desktop. The desktop might be different. Let's add collaborators later. Skip for now. We have already verified education plan, so that will be in another video. For now, we'll choose education plan. The differences are listed here. Click on that. Make sure you check this box. The price should be 0 because it's education plan. Complete upgrade. Click. And there you go. This is Teams test. In Teams test, you can create projects or rename this project. But we'll keep this to Teams project. By default, one is created for you. Double click on it, brings you in. So now you are in Teams test team project. Within the project that you're working on, you can create a design. You can create other stuff. Let's go to design. So this is the working page where you are designing. This is page 1. In page 1, there are many things you could include to start your project. Let's say we're going to design a layout for a desktop. Just to have a good practice, we're going to start with a region. At the bottom, these are tools. These are sections. When you go to tools section, drag. This is not a working file. This is just like a tabletop. So I'm going to say like section desktop ideas. From there, under the same section, click frames. As you click frames, you will notice the right panel, things are different. We talk about desktop. Let's go here and click desktop, and then we click desktop again. That is the desktop frame that appears. Note that your section, the tabletop, is way smaller. Zoom out on the trackpad or keyboard, but we want to extend this tabletop so that your desktop sits in place. So if we are doing multiple, just go ahead and click select, copy, keyboard, Control C, Control V. Note that desktop 1 and 2, the same layers, now they are resting on top. Unlike other software, sometimes you will see them paste on against or adjacent to it, not on top of it. So take note, in Figma, it tends to happen. So that's the reason why we are sharing this section so that you can see that that's the difference. So without going too far into this, this is how we actually start in Figma. You have the sections, and these are layers. Within the layers, we have talked about creating a desktop, and in desktop, these are shapes. To start prototyping or wireframing, keyboard R. Notice how the the toolbar also shifts to R for rectangle, L for line, O for ellipse. So we go to R for rectangle. This is how we're going to go about it later. Choose the rectangle and notice the color changes. Color is under fill. You can change the color of the rectangle. You can change the color of the desktop by selecting the desktop to make sure that know that it's selected when there are sliders on the sides. See that the rectangle is nested within the desktop and the desktop is nested within the section. That's how we want to keep things tidy. You can also change the background color of the desktop by selecting the desktop fill. I'm just going to change it to gray. As we zoom out, this infinite void of black, we're not changing that. That's the reason why we want to keep a section that is highlighted. Same thing in fill. We want it to have some contrast, but not too dark. Notice that it may blend in your desktops, your frames. So that's what we want to control and make sure that we can see everything. So that is it at this stage for now. Later videos, we can talk about the other tools. Thank you.